This nearly killed me. I was in a coma for 2 weeks and it left me completely paralyzed. The only thing I could move were my eyeballs. My brother taught me a trick to communicate. I would blink once for yes and twice for no. That was the only way to reach the world. I could hear everything. At one point, the doctor even placed a white sheet over my head. He declared me dead. It was hard. I knew I wasn't dead, but the machine said otherwise. I had to create a signal. I used my breath to intermittently create air puffs under the sheet. Luckily, it worked. The doctor removed the sheet because they knew I was still alive. My mental state was all over the place. I didn't know if I'd ever leave that hospital. I needed physical therapy to relearn how to move and speech therapy to find my voice. In 2022, talking would exhaust me. Today, the improvement is drastic and significant. But while I was fighting to recover, my life outside was collapsing around me. I lost my business, my driver's license was suspended, my independence was gone. My finances were failing, and I was facing marriage problems. I felt depressed and hopeless. But I fought back. To recover faster and regain independence, these steps are crucial. Step 1: exercise daily. Even if it's just small movements at first, you must keep going. It's like the movie Kill Bill. Move your big toe, then your hand. Work up to 45 minutes. Step 2: don't skip any hospital meals. It's not home cooked, but it is your fuel. Proper nutrition helps you regain mobility faster, fuel your body to leave that hospital sooner. I used my circumstances, the losses and the struggles, to push me through therapy. Take advantage of your recovery window. The first few months are critical for physical gains. Stay consistent even after discharge. The appointments are heavy, but they shape your future. Don't fall into a negative mindset. You now have the blueprint to start your life over. You don't need anybody. You can do it yourself. Recovery isn't easy, but you can get better. If my story inspired you, share it. You are not alone. Stay focused and keep going. I'll leave you with this. How well do you know your surroundings? Protect your energy. Thank you for watching.